Let's do it. Let's do it. Ready. Beep.
Ready.
Beep. Beep. Let's go. Come on, iBuyPower Hollow. Come on, iBuyPower Hollow. That would be so fucking cool. Oh, it's a normal iBuyPower. That's alright. It's about $300 for a normal iBuyPower. So we lost about $100 there. Let's do it. Let's do it. Are you cleaned up yet? You cleaned up. Yeah, let's go. Third capsule, iBuyPower Hollow, please. Please, 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 iBuyPower Hollow. That would be so good. Vox Emina. I think that's probably one of the least expensive stickers. Katowice, 2014. We need a hollow. We need to be hit with another hollow right now. That'd be great. Hollow incoming. Okay. The normal. I don't mind the normal iBuyPower. Exactly. You're losing, about $100, which obviously is a lot of money. It does. Trust me. There it goes. Yeah.
I want to see that.
The iBuyPower Hollow coming up. Trust me. 100,000,000% iBuyPower Hollow. That's still really fucking good. I think any kind of hollows are worth quite a lot of money. You can click it for me. Click it for me. Click it. Oh, I saw the iBuyPower Hollow go past. What the fuck? You're never clicking it again. Never again. Come on, I always see so many fly past, and all I want is the iBuyPower Hollow. All I want is how many iBuyPower Hollows just pass by, for fuck's sake?
This game is broke.
It's Dicks out for Harambe. Oh, sticker Reza Gaming. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. iBuyPower! Come on, Steel. Throw skins for me, please. Come on, iBuyPower Hollow. Oh, there's another blue. There's the Navi Katowice 2014 sticker. Give us the iBuyPower Hollow. Give us it. We really want this iBuyPower Hollow so fucking much, man. The blues is between two hollows as well. Come on, iBuyPower. Pretty please, iBuyPower. That would be so fucking good. Oh, another blue, man. Give me the iBuyPower Hollow. Come on, iBuyPower Hollow. Come on, iBuyPower. There's so many iBuyPowers going past, the normal ones. Where's the fucking... Oh,
it's a pink. It's not great,
It's really bad. You'd think it would be really good, but it's actually really bad, and it sells for like nothing. Hey, let's go. This is the final one, and this is the one we're going to get the iBuyPower in. Come on. At least it's a hollow. At least it's a hollow. I think that sells for a decent amount of money. I think probably more than the actual capsule. That's the best one we opened the whole time.